Hello my friends, welcome you back to my channel. This is Monjur Ali and we are at M&M Car Wash and M&M Lenses. So today I am going to show you the modification of RX100, and right now you can see the shockers of expulse here right now. The expulse shockers are lying here, and there's the sachets of RX100 which I will modify it in 2-3 days. Recently I have done work with the handle T which I have to set up for expulse. In this I am going to set up the expulse T. Here is the expulse T with cone bearing and all. I am going to set this bike to complete off-road RX100 2-stroke off-road bike coming up. Stay tuned at my channel to see the next episode. Thank you.